Well, it was a week marked by mild downward pressure on the main JSE indices with notable decline seen in resources stocks. A very good morning to Morning Live viewers. My name is Tepo Mwai. This segment is called Bottom Line. Stocks fell, rose and fell again on the last trading day of the week. Now let's take a look at where the overall market started right in the beginning of the week. Well, we know that right on Monday, we've seen that the overall markets continued to decline. So it has been a week of decline going down. So we have also seen that the overall index has continued to decline on Tuesday, with the all-share index falling 2.1%. On Wednesday, we've seen the all-share index down at 108,837,000, and it was flat. On Thursday, we saw the market climbing at 1.7% at 110,742. And of course, on Friday, we saw that rebound. Just to remind you that the overall market on the 16th of the week, we saw it actually reaching its all-time high. We could see it here hitting at the 113,108,000. So there has been a lot of movement up and down on the local bourse. And we've also experienced a sudden rally in the gold price, and it peaked at $66 an ounce. And the major catalyst was the announcement of the new U.S. sanctions targeting major Russian state-run oil companies. And we've seen that the stocks have also been resulting in major supply disruption, causing a sharp price. And what to expect in the week ahead? Very important that the week ahead we also have the South African Reserve Bank releasing the money supply and private credit extension data that will be out, and it will give us a sense of how is the credit extended to the private sector. And we also have the South African producer price inflation that will be out on a Thursday. And remember that the U.S. Fed rate decision will be out on Wednesday. And more importantly, the U.S. third quarter GDP will be released. And those are some of the major data that will definitely be moving the markets. An important one is, of course, that meeting between President Trump and Xi Jinping. It's been waited for, and it's going to be happening on a Thursday. And that will definitely be one of the major market movers. Well, that's how we end our segment. We'll be back again next week and giving a sense of the market.